Today I went to the garden center, the nursery, to buy some outdoor plants because this summer about 6 of my plants, 7 of them died. Um, Even though those were supposed to be, they were oleanders, which were supposed to be very resistant, but still they still died. So I've gone to the garden center and I found this plant. I needed something. I needed something affordable because I don't have. I can't spend big money, so I was looking for something very affordable, and this is about uh, $3.50, and it is called Euonymus Japonica Green. Euonymus. Euonymus Japonica Japanese Green. And it's an outdoor plant, and I'm hoping that it will not die like the oleanders died. I was very surprised that the oleanders died because supposedly they are very resistant, but somehow they died anyway.